What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol DWAC for Digital World Acquisition Company. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will, of course, be an update. We talked about it on that January 6th move, and really, we've done a whole lot of nothing since then. Sure, there are some intraday setups here, some like 5-minute playable things. However, from the grand scheme of things, we're kind of just chopping around through the midpoint of the overall move from that January 6th pop, right? So to me, direction isn't abundantly clear until we can start getting out of our own way here in the name. So it's either longs up and over 64, as we've talked about in the past. It's going to be difficult remembering the amount of people who were long from in here just simply based on volume. If those people want to get out for a break even and they're sick and tired of holding this thing through nothing in here, then I would imagine they start selling as we make our way closer to, beginning at 70 roughly. So really, the upside is not too promising, at least in my opinion here, inside of DWAC. If you believe otherwise, that's fine. But just psychologically, I can't get over the fact that, the amount of people who chased it up here as the stock, went crazy. You just think of all of the people up here who are potentially underwater. I just don't see it as being an easy move up and through some of these levels. And again, it's not like every single one of those people will sell for a break even. I get that, but some of them certainly will, which will be overhead supply. Zooming back in though and talking about, what's really on the horizon. Again, today's candlestick just indicating chop, exactly that, indecision. If you take out the Fibonacci's, we're going to come in from the low of the Monday 930 bar, or 10 I guess is the true low, up to the high. Again, where did we close? Kind of right at the midpoint. You never have an edge in the middle. It's either up here for breakout or mean reversion, or down here for, mean reversion or breakdown. So I'm just not seeing it here inside of DWAC. If you're quick draw McGee off the open on a 5-minute bull flag, that's fine. And you can play those types of things here because the range is fairly decent. But, in terms of a broader direction based on the daily and 30-minute, it's just not abundantly clear here in this name. Again, I really do think you're just getting chopped around in the midpoint of that overall range from the aggressive January 6th move. So that's really going to, wrap up my thoughts and opinions here inside of DWAC. I guess I would also mention that breakdowns underneath 52 are really the more bearish things to watch out for. Sure, there was this flush point we discussed at 53.54. Not really so important moving forward. It's simply going to be about that 52. If that goes, it's all about the low of the January 6th day. So let's throw that on at 45.24. And again, if you're talking about trying to get long here and it makes that move, that's going to kind of hurt in terms of percentage points. So I would be careful. Definitely use a stop loss if you're fishing and sort of building along in this general area. Stop kind of under here, looking for maybe that. Again, I wouldn't personally do it, but if that's what you're doing, I would be safe about it. And again, use a stop underneath roughly 52. That's going to wrap up the video. If you enjoyed it or learned anything new today, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description. And all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.